Okay, ready?
Yay.
Ready? Go, push her. Oh, sorry, Reese. Get ready. Push her. Oh, right into the table.
Tess is just like, what's going on? I can't stop it.
Come on, drive. Drive better, Tess.
I need to try to steer.
Ready? Go for it. Ryan, do you have it? Do you
Yeah, videotape.
Oh my God. Can't go any further. Can't. Okay, let's turn back around. Reese is like, come on. Go ahead, Papa. Push her. Push her, Papa.
Take him out to the sidewalk.
Yeah, no. Ready? Go for it. Did you see it? Oh.
Watch your foot.
Ready? Ready, Papa?
What you doing there, Bear? Reese. He's all focused.
He is. He's been like...
Pushing my cousin. He's like, oh, a ball. There was a ball right there. Hold on, ball.
Did you get it?
Reese. Reese, good job, Bear. You push your cousin.
You pushing?
Uh-oh.